Ever felt overwhelmed by scattered files across your computer, phone, and tablet? Today, we're diving into Dropbox, your ultimate solution for bringing order to your digital chaos. First things first, let's get you set up. Head over to the Dropbox website and click Sign Up if you're new, or Log In if you already have an account. Once you're signed up, download the Dropbox desktop app. This is crucial for seamless syncing between your computer and the cloud. Follow the on-screen prompts for a quick installation. Now for the magic: storing your files, simply drag and drop any file or folder into your Dropbox folder on your computer. That's it. Dropbox automatically uploads it to the cloud. The beauty of Dropbox is its synchronization. Once a file is in your Dropbox folder, it appears on all your connected devices. A circumflex euros. Your phone, your tablet, your work computer, anywhere you've logged in. On your smartphone or tablet, open the Dropbox app. You'll see all your synced files right there, ready to be accessed, viewed, or downloaded. This is perfect for accessing important documents on the go. Collaboration is a breeze. To share a file or folder, right-click on it in your Dropbox folder and select Share. You can then create a shareable link. Send this link to anyone, and they can view or download the files without needing a Dropbox account. For more control, you can invite specific people to a shared folder. They'll get their own access, and you can even set permissions for editing or viewing. So, whether you're safeguarding precious memories, working on a team project, or just need your documents handy, Dropbox simplifies your digital life. It's your personal cloud, keeping your files accessible, organized, and secure wherever your day takes you.